we elect government one after the other, and the maximum representation comes from Uttar Karnataka, but Uttar Karnataka has written same. Please, come, wake up, come to a place, possess, drive, come up, there is huge opportunities. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ 31% ಜನ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದವ್ರು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 31%. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 ಅಥವಾ 9% ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಈವನ್ 10% ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ವೈ? Over 37% people come from Tamil Nadu and they make their life. I sincerely request, please allow your kids to come up and move and grow and don't restrict. Heaven's sake, don't restrict them to do what you want. Allow them to do what they like. I'm telling you, you'll be a proud parent one day. And lastly, not relating to the subjects or anything, this is something which many people don't like to hear. Please don't discriminate between a girl child and a boy. Why? Why do we have this discrimination? In our office, I have 85% women. In our management staff, we have 65% women. And they do extraordinary job. And they are extremely talented. But in this school, I heard 8 boys and 1 girl. Why? Why is the discrimination? What way women is less competitive compared to a boy? Why do we have this mindset that women should get married? Why? This is pathetic. We are signing nuclear treaty and we are treating girl differently and boy differently when girl can do wonders. Please, heaven's sake, don't allow abortion of a baby child, of a girl baby child. 2, don't discriminate boy and a girl. Please. When my ಇದು ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್. When my wife was carrying second child and doctor told me it's a baby girl, you can think over, I never went to that gynecologist. And I have 2 daughters and I have stopped it. Please, heaven's sake, don't discriminate. And this is too high, especially in this part of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Lastly, I would like to thank my dear friend Mr. Babu Dammangi. I really feel proud that he has a vision to build something like this, which is very rare. We have very few institutions even in Karnataka, maybe 1 or 2 in Bangalore. And I am very touched and emotional. I would like to make one request to the management team, technical team especially. With their permission, I would like to have a rolling trophy for year on year to a most talented person who possesses leadership quality in the name of my mother in this school. Please allow me to have that trophy. And I would like more and more leaders to come from this part of Karnataka. I will be very proud and very obliged. And any given point of time, if you want employment in Bangalore, please knock my door. Enormous employment opportunities are there in our place. And don't hesitate. Allow them to grow in their life. Thank you very much. Since there are a lot of cultural programs after this, and there is a great orator who will be taking over, I love to listen to him. And thanks a lot again. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರೇ, ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿ ಮಂಡಳಿಯ ಸದಸ್ಯರೇ, ಆಹ್ವಾನಿತರೇ, ಪಾಲಕರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ಶಾಲೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು, ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಚಲೋ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬೈಲ್ ಹೊಂಗಲ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ತ್ರಾಸ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಮಜಾ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು, ಮೈಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂತು. ಎತ್ತರ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾವ, ಮಟ್ಟದಾಗ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸಾಧನೆ ಎತ್ತರದಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ನನಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಇನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡದೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ರನ್ನಾಗಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರನ್ನಾಗಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಮಾತಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸು 10-15 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ಇಂಥ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಂಬಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. 2ನೇ ವರ್ಷ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಬಹಳ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಸರ್, ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೋತದೆ ಅದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಂತೋಷ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.